Shubor nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Pule Puthi ka jela ubala kemen rembui. Ulapan pau baka jingekhi ki Nonghikai School SSE hapo kalama ka Megalia SSE School Association kalong ha kabaya day bat ka jingdawa jongki. Menteri ulaong baka SSE ka day kapang kabae bat ulaong ba usngaw khian na kabanta jongki. Namar baki habmi sya surong bandawa ya ka hok lajong. Ulaong ru baka Sorkar ka Pyrshang kat balak banle bat penbiang na kabanta ka jingdon kam jongki. Bat bakin yok ka jingarap na ka Sorkar pedeng. Ulaong ru bangis ngau kemen bangi long ka way neki state ka bayok pedeng ningkong ya ka jingsiu na ka Sorkar India. Bat baro ki jingdon kam kum ka UC bat ki way ki jingdon kam. Ban ay sya ka Sorkar pedeng na kabanta ka jingsiu ka baar. Ukermen baki aka baro kinyo ban pendep Shwa kalai pawai Tarik Lber kumjo ya ka jingsiu ka badang sa Jong baro ki Nonghikai. Laban kedo baka Megalia SSA School Association dangshen kalapan bena bakan penlong da ka jingaki haka ar Tarik Lber arjar arpo ar hakmat secretarian.
SSA is a very difficult subject. I feel that pity for the people for their own right, they have to come to the street. Having said that, we from the government, we are trying to do what it is needed to do so that we will get the instrument from the central government. We are very happy that we are one of the few states which have got the full first installment from the government of India. And now all the necessary UC, this and that we have submitted to the central government. In fact, last week also I am in Delhi to pursue for the second installment of this thing. So on the behalf of the government, I request that they should see that we are trying to it, and as we know that the budget is starting on the 4th, and I hope that something could be done before the 31st of March regarding the pending salary. We from the state government, the government will try to do something which I hope that after the budget. So from the government side, we request that nothing will be done until and unless through protest, this and that. But having said that, the government is trying its best, and we will try to do what maximum possible before the 31st of March 2022.
Can we expect the government to come up with a corpus fund while awaiting the funds from the central government?
If you remember 2019, about 78 crore plus, I don't remember the exact figure, we have drawn from the corpus fund to meet the emergency need of the SSC teachers. And having said that, I have already explained to you, after this budget session, we will try to do something positive within the 31st of March 2022.